Homeownership is a dream come true for many people. But did you know that the process of buying property in northern Georgia is as unique as the property itself? Why? Let's find out.
My name is Terry Lee Wilson. I am the managing attorney at Wilson Hamilton LLC up here in North Georgia. We have offices in Blue Ridge and Ellijay, and we do specifically real estate closings. Georgia law requires an attorney be present in the conveyance of an interest in real property. Well, that can make it difficult for people that aren't in attendance, so we have to make a lot of concessions on how closings are handled.
While this may sound like a hassle, it's actually a benefit.
It's a benefit because through the process, numerous items can arise through the transaction and issues, legal issues specifically, whether that's access points, issues with shared well agreements, and there's a plethora of items. An attorney's equipped and geared to assist with correcting documents or assisting in the drafting of documents to overcome these issues.
Every state is unique. There's very few states in the nation that require an attorney to be present. So we also have to find out what the law is in the state that you're signing in and have you sign there that's in compliance with your laws and our laws.
Most of their closings are for second homes and vacation rentals. That's where technology comes in.
We utilize the internet for quite a bit of our communication with parties, and to do that we have to use a secure portal, exchanging wire information, social security numbers and things like that. So we have a secure closing portal that we call Closing Manager. We also have online earnest money deposit, as well as a online fee calculator that helps in being able to relay fees to people without much effort. We have also started using automated text messaging through a feature we call Betty the Yeti. Betty can communicate with you by text message when anything in our office happens that you need to know about, such as we have received lender approval, and you can get a text message saying that. You can also ask Betty questions such as, can I see a preliminary settlement statement? And Betty will automatically generate it and pull it and send it to you for review. This also goes for wire instructions, and what the agents like best is when the final disbursement occurs, everybody gets a text message that everything has funded.
These advanced tools leave more time for the attorneys to focus on the people part of the process.
All of our attorneys are very committed to our clients and customers. There's a specific reason we put our personal cell phone numbers on our business cards. Our day doesn't stop from 9 to 5. We want to be available for our agents, clients, customers anytime, and we readily will answer the phone after hours. North Georgia is a wonderful small town community. It's growing in size for sure, but it does still have that very wholesome, homey vibe. It's wonderful to go out and run into the people that you saw at the closing table, because you will be seeing them again. Another important reason why to make sure we give them a great experience, so it's not like you can be in hiding.
With 98% of their practice being real estate closings, you know you're getting the right representation.
Transactional real estate is 98% of our practice. It is what we do. And with that, customers and clients will know that when you are going through the process of buying, selling, purchasing residential, commercial real estate, we are the go-to firm for you in North Georgia to complete that transaction for you.
When I first arrived here, I didn't know that there was mountains in North Georgia. And the closer I got to Jasper and then Ellijay and then Blue Ridge, it blew my mind how beautiful it was. Then I realized that the real beauty here wasn't the land, but the people.
When Terry started this firm, more than 17 years ago, there's a reason he put a phrase that is also on our business cards and also part of our motto, and it's always closing time at Wilson Hamilton.
To close on a transaction, to buy a house or sell a house up in North Georgia, every instance is exciting. I love this business. Once you get here and you realize how beautiful it is, it's very difficult to leave.
Want to know more about how Wilson Hamilton Real Estate Law can help you? Visit wilsonhamilton.com and designingspaces.tv.